Imagine making a rap song, a love song, or even turning your homework into a banger without knowing anything about music. Meet Suno.AI, the AI tool that's about to blow your mind. Let's test it, break it, and have some fun. Suno is an AI music generator. You give it a prompt, just plain text, and it gives you a full song with vocals, instruments, and style. No need for a mic, a studio, or even a single music lesson. Let's go one step further. I asked ChatGPT to write a rap about being addicted to chai. Here's what it gave me. Woke up late, hit the cup, chai in my veins, can't get enough. Now, I'm feeding that into Suno. Boom! Chai Rap 3000 is real. All right, it's game time. I'll play 3 clips. For more such kind of videos, like, share, and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.